So tonight we're going to go over an introduction. What is Imbolc and why are we doing all of this? While I get started and start talking about some of the background, if there is a lit candle in front of you and a not lit candle in front of you, put the not lit one over and light it, and then the fire will eventually spread its way down to the other end of the table. Keep the lit candles vertical. Yeah. Okay, so Imbolc is one of our pagan holidays. We traditionally have all 8 of them spread out relatively evenly. But this one is halfway between the winter solstice and the spring equinox. At this point, the days are starting to get longer, noticeably before the winter solstice is our longest night. The earth is slowly transitioning from winter to spring. At this time, the leaves are starting to come back onto the trees. If you're in a climate that has snow, it's starting to melt. Your rivers and lakes will start to fill up. We're starting to get some green shoots from the barren winter ground. At this time, life is going to start returning to the world. In agrarian societies, you had to store your food to make it through winter. At this point, it's probably done in slim pickings, so you're preparing yourself to. It might be just warm enough now. You're going to start hunting and gathering. You might start working back out in the fields, depending on what scenario you have. If you've got livestock, this is probably the time when they're going to give birth. And so, after a long winter, you're going to get some milk, because they're all going to be producing milk after they have their little ones. So the date of Imbolc is, it has been a significant holiday in Ireland since Neolithic period. So in Gaelic Ireland, Imbolc was a feast or festival marking the beginning of spring. It was part of the 4 traditional Gaelic seasonal festivals, being Samhain around November 1st, Imbolc February 1st, Beltane May 1st, and Lugan, I never say this right. Lunasa, August 1st. But these dates they weren't really using a calendar. These dates were based off of the seasonal changes around the entire year. So in Ireland, Bridget is the chief Celtic goddess associated with Imbolc. The name Bridget means exalted one, while her most ancient Gaelic name, Briosi, means fiery power or fiery arrow. She's a solar goddess. She embodies the elements of fire and is commonly depicted as a ray of light or fire emanating from her head. Irish mythology relates that she was born at sunrise of Dagan, the earth god, and Boan, the goddess of fertility. They belong to the ancient tribe of the Tuatha the Dagan, which was the pantheon that practiced magic. After they lost their mystical island, they moved to Ireland and settled there. So the worshippers sometimes call Bridget a triple goddess because she is the goddess of the fire of the hearth and home, the fire of the forge, and the fire of inspiration, your internal flame. poetry, music, prophecy, agriculture, and smithcraft associated with sacred land, the sun, fire, oak trees, and salmon. Because sometimes she's called the goddess of the well, seeing as she is a goddess born of the earth, literally the earth god. So she's tied to the element of water in this way, and whether it's a man-made well or a natural spring, it's associated with coming from the sacred womb of earth, giving you the ever-important life-giving waters. So it's also associated with sacred cows, and that reflects her relationship with the agricultural society of the time. So milk is an important theme through this ritual, and candlelight is associated with it. Candlelight is a man-made source of light versus the natural light. You bring in and bring light into dark places. Bridget's protected her hearth and home, so respect to Bridget can help protect her home from fires and help keep the light, keep the energy, keep that inspiration. Okay, so that's one aspect, that hearth and home, the civilized world. Now I'm going to talk about seeking the green man. Imbolc is the start of spring. It's a celebration of life and nature. So you also have a strong association with nature deities. They're known across every pantheon in many forms, from the dad, which I mentioned. There's Gaia, Sununos, Herm, Pan, the Green Man. All of these gods are the protectors of natural spaces. So when we need spring for nature to come back from its winter slumber. So we need that rejuvenation, and it is needed to provide for us. Otherwise, we can't survive. We've been holding on through winter. We need that relief. So oftentimes at this time, we would also call on all of these nature deities. So the societies in ancient times were highly associated with the ebbs and flows of nature. We have started to get away from that, but we have found that our civilized world now is not so easily divorced from the natural world. It's a struggle to adapt to the more extreme changes happening. So let Imbolc be a time to recognize our natural world. And so I've talked about our civil world, our natural world, and there's one more world that's involved here. And it has to do with the third flame of Bridget, that inner light, that light of passion. Kindle that inner light. Imbolc is a time for cleansing, healing, rebirth. It's a time of new beginnings. So this is true for that inner world. You're developing this in yourself. Oftentimes through winter, you'll be reflecting on the past. You're settling down for the winter, you're going to stay in, you're going to tell stories of the past, you're going to reflect on what you've done, and now it's time to start to do it again. You're going to develop that plan and get ready as spring is going to start taking action. So this is the time for new beginnings and to plan, and to take care of yourself that way, where you're going to start taking the action, reflecting on what it was. So this is a time where you can set goals and make plans. It is right after the year has changed, so you can think of it as a resolution, or you can just think of it as recognizing what you need and what you want. So foster that inner light. Feed the flame inside you. It is hungry, and so are you. Fan that flame as you flex your muscles, both literally and mentally. Now I'm going to lead you in a meditation.